Hello there. It is I, your furry and adorable friend Grover. Welcome to Mindful Monsters. I am so glad you are here. Being a mindful monster means paying close attention to how you feel and what is going on around you. Let us start by taking a deep breath. Ready? Now, let us listen in with my good friend Cookie Monster to learn about noticing the things around you.
Hiya, it's me, Cookie Monster. Me having mindful moment over here. One way me like to have mindful moment is by using me googly eyes to look very carefully at all the things around me. Yeah. Me like to look around and notice all the things around me. Oh, let's do it together. First, let's get out our binoculars. That means you make circles with your hands and put them around your eyes. Okay, you got your binoculars? Terrific! Now, let's look for something red, like me friend Elmo's fur. Okay, something red. When you see something red, wiggle your fingers. Your fingers wiggling? Okay, well, let's play again. This time, let's look around and see if you can find something blue, like me. When you find something blue, stomp your feet. You feet stomping? Okay, well, let's play one more time. Now, let's look for something yellow, like me friend Big Bird. When you see something yellow, Google your eyes. That means blink them really fast. Wow, that good noticing. Me love to take mindful moment to notice all the special things around me. Me hope you enjoy it too.
Well, that was nice. Thank you for stopping by Mindful Monsters and taking a mindful moment with us today. Let us take one more deep breath together, okay? Bye.